right, let's dive into Verasity. Now, you might not hear about it every single day, but it's a project that's trying to solve one of the biggest, most expensive, and kind of hidden problems on the entire internet, ad fraud. So in this explainer, we're going to break down what they're doing, their technology, their business plan, and what the future might hold. So to really get what Verasity is all about, you first have to understand the sheer scale of the problem they're tackling. This number, this is how much money, in dollars, is just vaporized by digital ad fraud every single year. We're talking about bots, fake clicks, and ghost views that basically trick advertisers into paying for nothing. It's a massive drain on the whole online economy. And look, this is a really important point to get. This isn't just some crypto-only issue. Nope. It's a fundamental, structural problem with how the internet works today. All this fake engagement, it just eats away at the trust between the advertisers paying for the ads, the websites hosting them, and, well, us, the people who are supposed to be watching. And that's the huge mess that Verasity is trying to clean up. Okay, so we've got this massive, expensive problem. How in the world does Verasity plan to fix it? Well, let's get into their secret sauce. The heart of their solution is this thing called proof of view. The best way to think about it is like a super smart, high-tech bouncer for online videos. Its one and only job is to check every single view and figure out if there's a real, live human being watching or if it's just another bot. Now, this is the real kicker. It's patented. You know, in the crypto world where everything is open source, this is a pretty big deal. But for the kind of corporate clients that Verasity is going after, a patent changes everything. It means proof of view isn't just some clever code. It's a legally protected, one-of-a-kind asset that only they own. Okay, so because of this business-first approach, you kind of have to throw out the old crypto rulebook when you look at Veracity's success. We can't just look at the usual metrics. It's all about whether real-world businesses are actually using it. And this table, it lays it out perfectly. So forget about things like total value locked or TVL. It just doesn't apply here. If you really want to see how Verasity is doing, you've got to look at actual business metrics. How many companies are actively running ad campaigns on their system? How many billions of views have they verified? These numbers might move slower, but they're a much more real sign of a healthy project. So how does it all fit together? Well, you've got these three core pieces. Vera views. That's the actual product that the advertisers and publishers use. Then there's the Vera wallet, which is where token holders can do things like stake their VRA. And holding it all together, the engine under the hood, is that core proof of view technology we talked about. But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing, not by a long shot. Like any project this ambitious, Verasity has some major hurdles to clear and faces some totally valid criticisms. And to get the full picture, we absolutely have to look at the other side of the coin. If you spend any time online looking into Verasity, you'll see this divide pretty clearly. On one side, you have this really dedicated community that's all in on the long-term vision of fighting ad fraud. But on the other side, you'll hear constant complaints, mostly centered around the token's price and worries about its tokenomics. And this really gets to the heart of the risks they're facing. I mean, even with awesome tech, they're going up against huge established Web 2 companies. They have to deal with how incredibly slow big corporations are to adopt new things. And really, their success depends almost entirely on landing some huge partnerships. It all boils down to that last point, the ultimate risk of having the perfect solution, but just showing up too late to the party. So with all that in mind, the good, the bad, the risky, what could the future actually look like for Verasity? Let's game out 3 different ways this could play out by 2026. We can imagine 3 plausible futures, right? The conservative one is where Verasity finds a home and does well, but mainly in smaller niche markets like esports. The base case, that's where they see slow but steady growth, really starting to make headway in the bigger ad industry. And then there's the optimistic scenario, where proof of view becomes so trusted that it's basically adopted as the new gold standard for the entire industry. So when you strip everything else away, it all comes down to this one big question. Verasity isn't trying to be the next big thing in DeFi or NFTs. It's trying to fix a real, boring, and very expensive problem that already exists. If the market eventually decides to reward projects with actual, tangible utility, then Verasity has a real shot. But if not, well, it could end up being an amazing piece of technology that just gets lost in a sea of hype. It's really a test case for what we, as a market, decide is truly valuable.